Well, we wanted to showcase what the power of 3D manufacturing really is, 3D printing. And we started down the path, well, it's car related. We were on the soapbox derby, and we really wound up with, well, what about a 3D printed slot car? They're a nice size, and who doesn't want to channel their inner 12-year-old and race a slot car again?
We utilize Materialise Magics every day. I have about 5 seats of it, and it's part of our workflow. I just wanted to submit something finally for Legacy Effects, and anywhere I can be a part of a Materialise event, I think that's a good thing. We love to show what we do. We love to see other people's works.
This was going to be a special thing for a lot of people, to be able to race their own design in front of a crowd, win an award. Pretty special.